Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable function keys on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So older computers had a switch called the function lock, which does not exist in the newer computers now. It comes with the word name FN or the function key, but you may have to press it along with the function keys like F1 to F12. So I will show it on the on-screen keyboard. Okay, you can also open the on-screen keyboard for this purpose by pressing Windows plus Control plus O. This is the function key here. If you don't find it on your computer, on your keyboard, then simply turn it to blue here by clicking on it, and then these function keys are enabled. Okay, and you can turn it off. You know what, interestingly, it only works once. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.